Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your PDF to Word using your mobile phone. The good thing is that it works with Android and Apple users, right? iPhone users. So whatever the platform you're using, this is going to work for you. But if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'd like to subscribe so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch. Cheers! Okay guys, to convert any PDF to editable Word on your phone, just go to your browser. So open my browser, then type I love PDF. So I'm going to leave the link in the description, ilovepdf.com. so here, then this is ilovepdf.com. then here you see, so there are lots you can do. Here you can merge two PDF. If you have two PDF, you can merge them together, or you can split PDF, or you can compress PDF if it's too large, or you can convert PDF to Excel, or you can also convert Word to Excel. You can convert PDF to PowerPoint. So what we want to do now is to convert PDF to Word, right? So just tap on this tab. Now it's going to take you to, it's going to tell you to select the file. So you can either select from your Dropbox or from your Google Drive, or you tap on select file. It will take you to your phone directory, right, where my PDFs are. So here, so I have PDFs here. So here, this is a PDF file here. I'm going to tap on it, and yeah, I'll click on hit convert to Word. Then it's going to convert PDF into Word, and see it's as easy as that. When you're done, when it's done with the conversion, it will see it will show you that the PDF have been converted, and you can see here, right? So what you do is that you can open it with your Microsoft editor. So you just open it, just tap it, open it. So just come here. So you see here, if you see the extension here, you see is in Word here. You see it's a Word document. So I don't have any Microsoft editor on my listing, but you just click on open with editor. So here, so tap more. I don't have Microsoft editor here, but then that's how to convert your PDF to editable Word. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So use that your magic power and hit the subscription button to keep me motivated to making amazing videos like this for you. Till next time, it's Riches. Cheers.